When to install both Player IPTV on your Amazon Firestick and Smart TV. In this video, I will guide you how to install it. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the radar app and put that code in the search bar. 624821. Wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, both plays automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for an IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable price. My service is 20,000 worldwide live channel, 20,000 movies and 5,000 series. After download the book play, install and open it. Now you can see your device ID and device key. So send your device ID and device key to your server provider. If you do not have a service provider, then send it to me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you the both player subscription. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.